today we are going to check out these gorgeous, very inspiring long to short hair transformations. So if you are in need of a major haircut or just a new hairstyle in general, I mean, we're going through the end of the pandemic and you want to mix it up, definitely check out these hairstyles. So the first group of styles are going to be from that particular stylist. So he is cutting the hair into what looks like a bob. So he's trimming the hair. She already has a gorgeous kind of burgundy hair color. Very unique, fun shade. Perfect for the fall season. But he is cutting away at that hair, trimming it down. Looks like he's doing some beautiful bangs, side swept bangs with this one. Oh, I love that hair color. This is such a beautiful shade. It looks even better now that her hair's been cut and shaped and styled. And I love those side swept bangs. Gorgeous bob haircut. So getting into the next hairstyle, looks like with this one she might be getting a pixie cut. So her hair started off about mid-length and the stylist is cutting the hair down. Yeah, so she's definitely getting some type of pixie shape. Oh, wow. So much fullness. I would actually say that this is a pixie, a combination of the pixie cut and a bob, because it does still have a lot of length in the front area. But this is a gorgeous hairstyle. Love that haircut. Very cute. Perfect shape for the season ahead, spring and summer. And then getting into the next transformation, she also looks like she might be getting either a pixie haircut or a pixie. Okay, so she might actually be getting a bob. Yeah, so she's gonna get a bob, and it looks like she did get a little bit of color, a soft brown hue, and her bob ends around jaw length. This is a classic shape. Beautiful classic bob haircut. Alright, so the next stylist is going to feature some curly haircut ideas. Like I told you guys yesterday, I'm going to be featuring more curly haircuts on this channel because we need to mix it up. I mean, curly girls like haircuts too. So, looks like he's doing a pixie with this one, which can be very hard with curly hair. You definitely want to make sure you go to somebody that knows what they're doing. It almost looks like she's doing a big chop because she has curly hair at the top of the hair and then straighter hair at the bottom. Ooh, so she ended up getting this gorgeous curly pixie cut. So beautiful. I love to see curly hair in the form of pixies. It just looks so much fun. And then next up, we have another curly girl. And she also ended up getting a gorgeous curly pixie cut. Love the textured bangs she has in the front. And then it looks like she's also going to be getting a pixie. Yes, I love this. She has so much texture, beautiful curly hair. Love it. Then next up we see a gorgeous curly bob. Yes, curly girls can rock bobs as well. And then we see another curly haircut transformation. So she starts off with like wasteland hair. And it looks like she's going to be cutting it into a pixie. Oh wow, so much volume, so much curl definition, gorgeous pixie curly cut. Love it. Alright you guys, so that is going to be it for this video. If you enjoyed checking out